This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Taryn DeRose. Beautifully designed with over 3,000 square feet of living space. This home offers 5 bedrooms and 3 full baths with lovely features and updates throughout. Spacious kitchen with tons of counter space for cooking. Kitchen opens up to a large family room with access to a formal dining room for all of your entertaining needs. First level also offers a bedroom with access to a full bath that is perfect for guests or can be used as an additional office or den. Second level offers a large primary bedroom with 2 separate closets and generous-sized primary bathroom with stand-up shower and separate tub and 3 additional bedrooms that will accommodate all of your family needs. Enjoy your private backyard space from the screened-in porch or back deck. Another great space for entertaining. A Williamsburg address in the York County School District. Truly a standout home. For more information,